homogeneous differential equations. First of all, before going to learn the homogeneous differential equation, let us learn what is meant by a homogeneous equation. Normally, homogeneous expressions will be there. Expression or homogeneous equation. Okay. So any function, a function or an expression is said to be homogeneous. Suppose if you are taking into consider, let us take the example. One function I am taking as a in terms of x and y. F of x comma y is equals to y square plus 2xy. Okay. So this, if you replace this by the lambda x or any constant x, y by the lambda y or any constant y. Okay, then if you are able to express it, the simple way is, suppose if you are here, I am substituting example take lambda x. So what do you get here? Lambda y whole square plus 2 into lambda x lambda y. So what do you get here? Lambda square y square plus 2 lambda square xy. So from this lambda square you can take the common. So y square plus 2xy you are going to get. This is again f of x comma. So if you are able to express, any function f of, if you are able to express any function lambda x lambda y is equals to lambda to the power of n into f of x comma y, then that function is called as a homogeneous function. That function is called as homogeneous function. So it is very simple to observe the homogeneous function whenever you are taking into consider. Here square is there, power 2 is there, and sum of these two powers is also equals to 2. So same power you are going to get. So then in that case, suppose if you are having a function in such a way that one function I am taking into consider f of x comma y, if you are taking y square plus 2x if I am taking. This you cannot express like this. You check f of lambda x lambda y is equals to lambda square y square plus 2 lambda x. So you cannot take the lambda square common here. So this type of the function is not called as a homogeneous function. This is not a homogeneous function. The homogeneous function is nothing but polynomial function should be. It is not necessary that it should be a polynomial function. You can have the trigonometric also. Suppose if you are taking here another function as a f of x comma y is equals to cos y by x if I am taking. Yes, you can write this one. Suppose if you take this one, lambda x lambda y is equals to cos either lambda y by lambda x and then lambda x. Lambda will get cancelled. Cos of y by x. So cos of y by x is nothing but f of x comma. So here you are going to get lambda to the power of 0. And here, if you are going to express any function f of x comma y in this way, then that function f of x comma y is said to be a homogeneous function of degree n. Nth degree homogeneous function. This lambda should be a non-zero constant. It should be a non-zero constant. Suppose as an example, if you are taking into consider a function if you are taking sin x plus cos x, sin x plus cos x or sin x plus cos y, if you are taking into consider. So in this case, lambda if you are substituting, what do you get here? Sin of lambda x plus cos of lambda y. So that lambda cannot be taken common here. So this cannot be expressed as a something to the power of n into lambda to the power of f of x comma. So it is not a homogeneous. So now we are going to learn homogeneous differential equation. A differential equation which includes the homogeneous function of any degree is called as a homogeneous differential equation. That is nothing but you need to have the dy by dx is equals to f of x comma y, where f of x comma y is a homogeneous function. If this is a homogeneous function, then it is called as a homogeneous differential equation. This differential. And how do we solve these type of the homogeneous differential equations? In the exercise, we'll take solution problems. Problems for they can means we need to replace By replacing, first you need to check that whether it is a homogeneous or not. After checking that homogeneous or not, then you have to apply the method. Method में क्या है? In this you are going to substitute y is equals to vn substitute करते हैं. Y is equal or y by x is equals to v substitute करते हैं. Y by x is equals to v or y is equals to. Now if we are going to get dy by dx is equals to v plus x dv by dx. So completely we are going to convert the homogeneous differential equation into the terms of y to x. Y x में होता है and that we are going to convert into v and x. We are going to convert into v and x. And then after the variable separable method what you have learned in the previous topic, that variable separable method used and then you can solve the problems. So this is a homogeneous differential equation. First let us take the one problem, exercise 9.5. Exercise 9.5 is homogeneous, and here you need to be very careful that in the exam it will not be given to you that this is a homogeneous, this is a variable separable. You need to observe that. Your observation is important. Okay, so the first question here is given to you in exercise 9.5. These problems are little lengthy है, length ज़्यादा होता है but not complicated. Mostly all the problems are x square plus xy dy is equals to x square plus y square dx. See here, variable separable method is applicable here in this case. No. Why? Because already dy is together and dx is together. But here we are not having the only x terms. Here we are not having only y terms. We cannot apply directly variable separable method in this case. So then you can write this one as a dy by dx is equals to x square plus y square by x square plus xy. Now you consider this function as a capital F of x. Actually it is homogeneous. You observe that homogeneous कैसे है? How do we identify that it is homogeneous? Means square है, इधर square है. Every term is power 2 होना है. इधर power 2, इधर भी power 2 है. दोनों term है. Two variables are there, and each variable is having a power 2. Suppose if I have given you x cube plus 3x square y by x cube plus y square x, this is also homogeneous function. Constant may be any number. Here you may have the 1, you may have the 9, you may have the any number. That doesn't matter. See, every term is power 3. Either be power 3, power 3, power 3. So that is homogeneous function. So originally homogeneous function, how do we identify? Homogeneous function, how do we identify? We have to identify that whether, see here, we need to get that function, whatever you are taking, that function compulsory should be a homogeneous function. Okay, then only we can say that it is called as a homogeneous differential equation. Homogeneous function is different from homogeneous differential equation. Homogeneous differential equation is nothing but differential equation should be there. dy by dx should be there. If you have the dy by dx, then it is called as a homogeneous differential equation. Okay, so now let us see the here it is a differential equation. If you want, you can consider like this. Let f of x comma y is equals to x square plus y square by x square plus xy. F of lambda x comma lambda y is equals to lambda square x square lambda square y square. Actually, it is not necessary, but just I am showing to you lambda x lambda y. So here you can take the lambda square comma. You are going to x square plus y square. Here you are going to take the lambda square comma and x square plus xy. See here lambda x lambda y lambda square होगा. So ये cancel हो गया. Again you are going to get f of x comma. Okay, capital f of x comma. So this shows that equation 1 is a homogeneous equation. Means this equation is a homogeneous equation. So to solve this one, therefore f of x comma y is homogeneous equation of degree 0. its degree is 0. So in this case, we have to substitute A completely. It is not necessary. Mostly, if you are observing that it is a homogeneous differential equation, it is not necessary for you to do. Now, what to do here? Just we have to replace y is equals to Vx. So substitute y is equals to Vx in given differential equation. When you substitute y is equals to Vx, dy by dx will be changed into v plus x dv by dx. ये UV method apply करनी है. I have applied UV method. So when you are going to get its UV method apply कर दिया तो then we are going to get this into v plus x dv by dx. V plus x dv by dx. ये dv by dx को change हो गया. Is equals to here what we are writing y is equals to vx, so x square plus y place में vx लिखना है, so v square x square by x square plus x y place में vx. So you can take here you can take x square common, so 1 plus v square you are going to get, here also x square common, 1 plus v we are going to get. So x square will get cancelled. So we are going to get here a v right side simple, v plus x dv by dx. So I am going to write here. So v go right side. Mostly all the problems will be similar model of this. X dv by dx is equals to 1 plus v square by 1 plus v minus v. Okay, so now what do you get here? This one, if you are simplifying, 1 plus v square minus v of 1 plus v by 1 plus v, which is equals to 1 plus v square minus v square by 1 plus v. So v square will get cancelled, 1 minus v by 1 plus v. This is what? X dv by dx. Now, is it possible to apply in the place of y you are having a v? Variable separable method is possible to you to apply here, you need to check. Is it possible? ये पूरा dx and x को उधर लेके जाओ, ये इधर लेके आओ. So 1 plus v by 1 minus v dv is equals to dx by x. dx numerator में होना है. Now integrating on both sides. Apply कर दो. Variable separable method apply करना है. Variable separable method only here. We have separated the variable. So integrating on both sides. So integration of 1 plus v by 1 minus v into dv is equals to integration of dx by x. Now इसको integrate करना है. How do we integrate this one is very important here. अब हम लोग कैसे 1 plus v can be written as? Sir? Yes.
Just now it was stopped. The video was paused. Now it's okay, sir.
Now okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's okay.
Now it is showing to me you lost your network connection. Now it is okay?
Yes, sir.
So now here 1 plus v by 1 minus v here. So different methods what you have learned in the previous. इसको क्या कर सकते हैं? 2 minus 1. You can write it as a 2 minus 1 plus v. 1 minus v. Minus common area. Yes. You write here like this. In the numerator you write 2 minus 1 plus v by 1 minus v dv is equals to dx by x. इसको integration method of the 1 plus v by 1 minus v. 1 plus v by 1 minus v if you want to integrate. 1 by 1 minus v plus v by 1 minus v also you can take. But instead of that, here just I am writing it as split कर रहा हूँ. Split करके minus common number. So 2 minus common ले तो 1 minus v by 1 minus v dv is equals to integration of dx by x. Now here separately here integration of 2 by 1 minus v dv minus integration of 1 minus v by 1 minus v dv is equals to integration of dx by x. This is what here 1. So this is 2 log v minus 2 log v minus 2 log 1 minus v, because minus is there here. Minus v is equals to, this is log x. So constant should be taken into consideration. So let us take that constant as a plus log c consider करो, because everything is in the form of the logarithms. Logarithm form में है, isn't it? Logarithm form में है ना. So we can write it as a simplification only. V is equals to ये दोनों टर्म्स को इधर लेके आओ, नहीं है तो माइनस v we are getting. So in any way you can simplify. Now v should be replaced by the, from here what we have considered, v is equals to y by x. Y by x should be replaced there. V का प्लेस में y by x replace करना है. If you want you can simplify it. Still more you can simplify. ये v positive ले लो, ये इधर लेके जाओ. Then you will get here. Let us take here for convenient minus log c. You can take it now, constant. So let us take this minus here. A b that side. These two terms here I am taking. So what do you get here? Plus log c minus log x minus log 1 minus v whole square. Minus 2 log b है ना? ये 2 इधर आएगा. So this I am writing as a whole square. It is taken. So v is equals to logarithm of c by x into 1 minus v whole square. Isn't it? Now replace y by x is equals to logarithm of c by x into 1 minus y square by x square. इसको simplify करो. So what do you get here? Y by x is equals to logarithm of c by x into x square minus y square by x square. So square square will get cancelled, x ऊपर जाएगा. So y by x is equals to logarithm of cx by x square minus y square. So this is the final answer for that. Or if you want to express this logarithm remove करके express करना है तो the another way of e power में भी express कर सकते हैं. You can write this as a instead of logarithm cx by x square minus y square is equals to e power of y by x. So both are right answer. Actually till here whenever you reach the problem is completed. So remaining part is just a simplification. That simplification adjustments can be done in any way. It's not mandatory that you need to do in the only one way. Did you get my point here? So in this way only this answer only you need to get. It is not mandatory like that. So mostly all the problems are like this only. So in this which includes the trigonometric wala one problem, let us take into consideration. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 problems till the fourth problem is similar way. Okay, fifth problem, if you want the fifth problem also same only. It's not difficult here. Okay, समझ में आया अनुराग?
Yes, sir.
So variable separable method, seventh problem is completely different. थोड़ा completely not दिखने में थोड़ा different दिखता है. So let us go for the seventh problem. So different problems let us learn here. All the same model only, but after that integration, see here everything is interlinked here. You need to know the variable separable method so that you cannot do it. Variable separable method में integration, ये integration है. ये integration find out करना अभी आना है आपको. Otherwise you cannot do it. Okay, so everything is interlinked. So previous chapters if you know perfectly, then only you can go for the remaining problem solutions, whatever it may be, homogeneous equation if it is given answer. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So the question is given to you. Problem is lengthy है but it's not difficult. दिखने में थोड़ा सा different होता है. X cos y by x plus y sin y by x into y dx is equals to. y sin y by x minus x cos y by x into x dy. First you write this one in the form of the dy by dx. dy by dx फॉर्म में लिखो. ओके, सो dy by dx फॉर्म में लिखना है तो वो because y by x you are having. See here, do remember in any function if you have y by x, y is equals to bx, we need to substitute. Y is equals to, so y by x is equals to v हो जाएगा. So y by x over there we need to take the y is equals to dx. So there you need to compulsory you need to have the dy by dx. But in some equations, in some differential equations, you may have the x by y. X by y like this, y by x किधर होता है like that. So in some equations you may have the x by y and you cannot change. So in that situation dx by dy we are going to take. So they replace क्या करना है? X is equals to v by should be replaced. So one is x is equals to, and this you need to do differentiating with respect to y. dx by dy. See wherever you are having mostly, but not all the problems. I selected some problem. Somewhere else you may have x by y, but that can be converted into y by x. Here it cannot be converted into y by x. So y by x wherever x by y if it is given to you, I will tell you this that situation also. So do remember that x by y wherever you are having mostly I am saying dx by dy if you are getting dx by dy is equals to a function you are getting in that function x by y you are having. So in this function any f of x comma y function mein internally x by y is there. There you need to substitute x is equals to vy. So dx by dy is equals to differentiating with respect to y here. Y की रो differentiate करना है. So v plus y dv by dy you are going to get. So here not like this. Here it is very simple here. But one situation I am taking to consider. वो problem भी discuss करते हैं. Okay. So now let us what in here dy by dx. dy by dx layer. So what do you write here? dy by dx. So dy by dx is nothing but ये इधर आ dy by dx. So we need to take the this dy by here dx only to the here. This complete terms to the other side. So ये numerator में रखेगा. So what is numerator में? y into x cos y by x plus y sin y by x divided by x into y sin y by x minus x cos y by x. So here it is a obviously you can observe that it is a homogeneous differential equation. Why? Because here you are having y by x, here also x is there, power 1 is there, here homogeneous differential equation which is homogeneous spelling थोड़ा consider करो homogeneous differential equation. So if it is a homogeneous differential equation, what should be replaced here? Y is equals to vx should be taken. Y is equals to vx. Substitute y is equals to vx. So it implies dy by dx is equals to x plus v. V plus x. V plus x dv by dx. So therefore here you are going to get v plus x dv by dx is equals to y can be replaced as a vx x as it is cos y by x is nothing but v आ जाएगा. Y is equal to vx is nothing but y by x is equals to v plus y is equals to again vx sin v divided by x is nothing but x only and y is nothing but vx sin v minus x as it is cos v. So now here x will get cancelled. From this x common ले लो, v plus x dv by dx is equals to v into इधर x कॉमन ले लिया है, so we are going to get cos v plus b sin v. Be careful here while writing here, by इसमें भी x कॉमन ले लो, so right side में x eliminate हो जाते हैं, so that we can apply the variable separable method. That is the main logic here behind it. So what do you get here? X if you are taking v sin v minus cos v. So x will get cancelled. So right side x is eliminated. Now this v you can transform to the right side. X dv by, is it visible to you?
Yes, sir.
v sin v minus cos v minus v. ये v right side transfer करेंगे. So now next step what you get here? X dv by dx is equals to v into cos v plus v sin v minus v into v sin v minus cos v divided by v sin v minus cos v. इसको simplify करो, v common है. By taking the v common, what do you get? You see. Here I will write. So x dv by dx is equals to x dv by dx is equals to v common I am taking here. So what do you get here? Cos v plus v sin v minus v sin v plus cos v plus हो जाएगा minus divided by v sin v minus cos v. So here v sin v will get cancelled. Cos v 2 times है, 2v cos v you are going to get. So x dv by dx is equals to, what do you get? 2v cos v by v sin v minus cos v. Now what to do here? dx by x को right side लेके जाना, इसको इस side लेके आना है. So what do you get here? v sin v minus cos v by 2v cos v. v sin v by 2v. If you want 2, you can keep it there itself. 2 उधर ही रख दो, 2 dx by x. ये dx by x को right side. Now integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides. So what do you get here? Integration of, इसको simplify भी कर सकते हैं, stretch. v sin v by v cos v minus cos v by v cos v is equals to integration of 2 dx by x. v will get cancelled, cos v will get cancelled. So integration of, we are going to get tan v minus 1 by v dv आ जाएगा ना, sorry dv होगा d is equals to 2 into integration of dx by x. समझ में आया? So integration of tan v is equals to logarithm of secant v, log v. So this is logarithm of sec v minus log v is equals to 2 log x. Everything is taken in log. So you can take here the constant also in the form of the log. Constant can be, everything is in form of the constant can be chosen in any way, because simplification easy हो जाएगा ना. So this side what you get, logarithm of secant v by v is equals to, this is log c x square हो जाएगा, ये square हो जाएगा c into x square. So from this you can write that secant v by v is equals to cx square, and v you replace by the y by x. So secant of y by x by this is y by x is equals to cx square. So ये y by x, if you want you can take x by y, you are going to get here x into secant y by x by y is equals to cx square. So x will get cancelled, y because secant y by x is equals to cxy is the final solution of this equation. See, complication किधर भी नहीं है, but length ज्यादा है. इसमें complication किधर भी नहीं है, just it is length is more here. ओके, समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
If you want to see here, these are all can be interchangeable. आंसर में आपको क्या दे दिया, that doesn't matter. इसको चेंज कर दिया तो वो आंसर आ जाएगा. You may get an answer cos x by y is equal to cxy हो सकता है. Answer. See here, different answers may you may have. Answer may be cos x by y is equals to cxy भी हो सकता है. Whenever you are taking into consider here, isn't it? Secant of x, y by x is equals to cxy. And whenever reciprocal, if it is taken, reciprocal, if it is taken here, you are going to get this one. Oh, sorry, 1 by you are going to get, इसका reciprocal ले लिया तो
Yes, sir. One by CXY.
y by x. See, इसको 1 by ले लिया है, 1 by secant of y by x is equals to 1 by cxy. So ये 1 by secant of, sorry, 1 by cos, sorry, 1 by cos. You can write it as 1 by cos. Secant y by x, secant theta can be written as 1 by cos theta. Isn't it? So you can write it as a, if you want, ये change होगा, sorry, cxy, ये क्यों change होगा? So you can write it as a c into xy into cos y by x is equals to 1. 1 लिख सकते हैं, 1 by c लिख सकते हैं कांस्टेंट. ये 1 by c को अगेन सम कांस्टेंट k भी लिख सकते हैं. Whatever it may be, answer is no. You may have this answer, you may have this. This answer, if you write also, it is right. I'm not saying that it is wrong. So any solution, last to conclusion solution को modify कर लिया तो required solution what is given to you in your textbook also you will get it. It doesn't matter. समझ में आया? So mostly
Yes,
all the problems will be like this only. In this different problem, ninth problem थोड़ा सा different feel होता है आप लोगों को. Ninth भी different नहीं है. हाँ, y by x. Okay, let us take ninth problem different नहीं है. You can do it. X by y. Yes, 10th problem देखो. Here it is given to you in the problem number 10. X by y is given. Okay, so this let us take into consideration. ये problem is given. So x by y whenever it is given, it is not mandatory that whenever it is given to you x by y, we need to take the dx by dy. वही consider नहीं करना है. So थोड़ा सा ध्यान में रखो. Okay. Sometimes if x by y is given also, you need to take into consider dy by dx only. dy by dx only लेना पड़ता है. So such type of the different problems also will be there. You see the example problems you will come across when you solve the problems of the different models, different models solved there. Then you have to. So what is the question given here in the 10th question? 1 plus e power x by y. I already told you 1 plus e power x by y into dx plus plus e power x by y into 1 minus x by y dy is equals to 0. So इसको observe कर लिया तो here it is given to you dy by dx is taken into consider dx by dy. dx by dy
dx by dy.
because x by y is given. But you do remember that every time x by y whenever you are finding, it is not mandatory that dx by dy to be taken. वो जरूरत नहीं है. Okay, so in this how do you get here? 1 plus e power x by y dx is equals to minus of e power x by y 1 minus x by y dy. Here right side base. Now here dx by dy is equals to माइनस ऑफ e पावर x by y 1 minus x by y ये नीचे आ गया 1 plus e power x by y, so which is homogeneous differential equation. That is homogeneous. Homogeneous कैसे observe करते हैं? x by y x by y x by y you are having everywhere, so it is a homogeneous differential equation. Okay, so substitute x is equals to v into y. X is equals to v into y. Here as we are having the x by y, so differentiating with respect to y on both sides. इसमें differentiating with respect to y करना है, so dx by dy is equals to v plus y into dv by dy आ जाएगा. So this you replace here, v plus y dv by dy is equals to minus e power v 1 minus v x by y is equals to v r by 1 minus e power v. Now v को राइट साइड, so ये इधर से प्रॉब्लम देखो सेम होता है, y dv by dy is equals to minus e power v into 1 minus v by 1 plus e power v minus v. Okay, now इसको सिंप्लीफाई करो, y dv by dy is equals to y dv by dy minus e power v into 1 minus v minus v into 1 plus e power v divided by 1 plus e power v. इसको सिंप्लीफाई करो, y dv by dy is equals to minus e power v plus v into e power v minus v into e power v by 1 plus e power v. This and this will get cancelled. समझ में आया? Any doubt? Is it clear? हाँ?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
कुछ डाउट नहीं है ना?
No, sir.
Confusion नहीं है ना? So now what to do here? Y dv by dy is equals to minus common below v plus e power v by 1 plus e power v. So ये पूरा टर्म को इस साइड लेते हैं, इसको पूरा इस साइड लेते हैं. So 1 plus e power v by v plus e power v dv is equals to minus dy by dt. So integrating, you observe that इसका इंटीग्रेशन ये है f dash of x by f of x फॉर्म है. इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ f dash of x by f of x is equals to logarithm of f of x. तो इसका डेरिवेटिव ये है. So you are going to get integrating on both sides. So integration part is easy इसमें. The remaining part is दिखने में थोड़ा डिफरेंट दिख रहा है. इंटीग्रेशन कुछ नहीं है इसमें. कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स में इंटीग्रेशन में क्या होता है ना, in some problems you may use the integration by parts यूज करना पड़ता है, partial fractions यूज करना पड़ता है इधर तक आने के बाद in terms of v में. So that is you need to know, वो जरूरत है. So integration of 1 plus e power v by v plus e power v dv is equals to minus integration of dy by dt. So this is logarithm of v plus e power v is equals to minus log y plus log c. You can take minus log c. Constant can be taken in any way. Plus you can take or minus you can take, that doesn't matter. So here we are going to get logarithm of v plus e power v is equals to logarithm of c by y you are going to get. Now v plus e power v is equals to c by y. So v is equals to क्या है? X by y. Please do remember x by y. V is equals to. So here you need to replace x by y. इसमें x by y replace करना. X by y plus e power x by y is equals to c by y. This is the final answer. That is solution of this differential equation. ये differential equation का solution है. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
So in the remaining problems whatever it is there, ये constant value find out करना पड़ता है. So that problems 11th onwards you are not going to, this is general solution, and problem number 11 onwards whenever you take it to consider, there are particular solutions. Particular solution should be Find out. Particular solution means the value you need to substitute there. Substitute करने के बाद find out करना पड़ता है. So that is particular solution problems. Okay. So mostly all the models are same models है. The values are different here. You can solve the problem. This is homogeneous differential equations. So next after the homogeneous differential equation, you are having a linear differential equations. So if you want one problem, I'll explain to you one more problem. Which one we'll select here? No, ये all are easy only. इसमें कुछ difficult तो नहीं है. Yes, you can do it. 15th one also you can do it. Problems are lengthy. Yes, all the problems is easily you can do it. It's not very difficult to you. So complete all the homogeneous differential equation problems. Okay. So next we are going to start the linear differential equations. Okay.
Okay, sir.